Magandang umaga, magandang hapon at magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ito po ang inyong lingkod, si Jomar Makinay. And today, we'll be repairing this very beautiful Bohan MPX Metal Gearbox version, computerized MOSFET version by Architect Alfred. Thank you, sir, for for trusting the process and letting us repair this one. I have already some initial thoughts on this one, and it's not uh, nice. It's not happy. Basically, it's jammed. It doesn't fire. And as you can see, the motor cover is open and the motor doesn't fall out. Normally, if you open this one, the motor will come out, but it's still stuck. And you will see why. So, always when testing, have a watt meter or a fuse. Since it's a watt meter is there, it will ask us a fuse. Max 150 amps. So, you've heard the beep and the motor vibration, so the motor is okay. Now safe, and let's put it in semi, and let's do a close-up on the watt meter because this is the will look different. And then let's higher there and firing. And can you see that one? Oops. It's 62 amps. It is killing the unit. So it's 62 amps. There's something wrong. Most units will only go through uh, 20 amps. No, that's already too high. 8 for a stock unit goes up to 15, and extreme units goes up to 20. But 62 amps, it only means one thing: the motor is jammed. When that happens, please, please stop firing. This is what happened to the last unit. It is jammed, but since it's not computerized MOSFET, there's no overcurrent protection. He tried. So that caused the battery to burn. In this case, since there's a computer MOSFET, overcurrent protection kicks in, it saved the unit. Then the, the hard part comes. Let's remove this first. Battery and the motor is stuck. See, it's doesn't want to go out. So there'll be several retries already. She doesn't want to come out. I think I don't know what happened here, but I need to get it out and find out what happened here. The good thing with this model, since it's a metal split gearbox, so all you need to do is remove one of the pins. Please come out. I need a flat screw. Screw. Remove. And then, ta-da! See? And the gears doesn't move because it is stuck. So I need to do something about it. Now for the dramatic pose. Okay, after several minutes, hours, I was able to remove the motor, install it back, and the motor got misaligned, so it got stuck on here, which prevented it from going out. I think the motor got partial. The motor, not red, the Pinion gear got partially ejected, but still there. And the holder got stuck here. So I cannot pull it out. After several forceful methods, this got removed. The motor went out. Put it back. Place it here. Ding. Okay, so now let's connect the battery and I'll show you what I meant regarding amperage. Extra zoom, this motor, gears and everything. And let's do semi first. I mean safe, then semi, so that will fire. And then it's why it's not clear. Zoom, zoom, zoom. So now it's 16. Oh, it's like there. It's 14 amps. 14.2. Let's do full auto. So, but initial of 14 amps. See? That's why semi is bad. Semi. See? Semi is bad. It kills the motor. And this is without gearbox, huh? Let's try it again with everything intact. Dramatic pose. Okay, it's finally half assembled. Oops, microphone. Now we can try it. Battery. Wattmeter, okay. Save first. Then semi. And let's put closer. As you can see, semi is 16 amps. Just doing semi. Let's make it closer. Right. And this is stock spring, huh? Semi. 17 amps. That's why if you have bad battery, it will kill your have a bad battery, it will kill your battery on semi. Let's put it full auto. It's still doing spikes. Let's reset it. Now, so that the counter is reset, and then, oops, I forgot. Say full auto. See, only 12 amps. So always remember, only use semi if you have a good unit. I mean, a good battery. So, it's finally done. Thank you for Sir Albert for trusting the process. And I will also review this one in the coming video. If you have any questions, suggestions, violent reactions regarding this one, just put it down in the comments down below and I'll answer it as soon as possible. Hanggang sa muli, paalam! Ching!